Hello students, today we will see Software Engineering's chapter number 2, Agile Development. This Agile Development chapter contains these points: what is agility, agile processes, then extreme programming, adaptive software development, Scrum, dynamic system development model, and agile unified processes. Then first we will see what is meant by agile development. Then agile software development methods become more and more popular due to their promises to dramatically increases the speed of development. Agile methods alter, modify the software development processes. Agile software processes such as extreme programming, XP, Scrum, etc. rely on best practices that are considered to improve software development quality. The modern business environment now operates in global, rapidly changing the environments. The business organizations have to respond to a new opportunities and markets, changing economic conditions, emergence of competing products and services. That means the software is the part of almost all modern businesses, all organizations, operations. So new software is developed quickly to take advantages of new opportunities to respond to competitive pressures. The agile means able to move quickly and easily. A type of development process that has gained in popularity among a number of software companies. This is known as agile software development. This agile software development refers to a group of software development methodologies, that means processes, based on iterative development where requirements and solutions evolve through collaborations between self-organizing cross-functional teams. The agile development refers to any development processes that is aligned with the concept of agile manifesto. Then what is agility? In software development, the term agile is adapted to mean the ability to respond to changes. That means changes from requirements, changes from technology, and changes from peoples. Effective, that means rapid and adaptive response to change, team members, new technology, or requirements. Effective communication, structures, and attitude among all team members, technologicals and business peoples, software engineers and managers. The agility has become today's buzzwords when describing a contemporary software methods. That means everyone is agile. Then what is agility? Agility, according to Ivar Jacobson, agility has become today's buzzwords when describing a modern software processes. An agile team in the software process is a nimble team able to appropriately respond to the changes. That means changes is what software development is very much about. Changes in the software being built, changes to the team members, changes because of new technology, changes of kinds of that have an impact on the product they build or project that creates the products. Then why agile? Technology in the current era in progressing faster than ever, enforcing the global software companies to work in a fast-paced changing environment. Because the business are operating in ever-changing environments, it is possible to gather a complete and exhaustive set of software requirements. Without these requirements, it becomes practically hard for any conventional software model to work. These agile conventional software models such as waterfall model that depends on completely specifying the requirements, designing and testing. The systems are not geared towards rapid software development. As a consequence, a conventional software development model fails to deliver the required products. That means in waterfall models containing 5 stages and 5 phases, these are completely, and one phase is depend on another phase. Then all requirements are completed. If one is fail, then product requirements are fails. Then these are the agile development. Software development comes to the rescue. It was specially designed to curate the needs of rapidly changing environments by embracing the idea of incremental development, and development is the actual final product. Then how it is work or development in agile. In agile development, design and implementations are considered to be the central activities in the software processes. Main phase is designing and implementations. This is the main phase in agile development. Design and implementation phase also incorporate other activities such as requirements elicitations and testing into it. In agile approach, iterations occur across activities, therefore requirements and designs are developed together rather than separately. The allocations of requirements and design plannings and development as executed in a series of increments. In contrast, the conventional model where requirements gathering needs to be completed in order to proceed to the design and development phase. It gives agile development an extra level of flexibility. In waterfall model, it doesn't occurs flexibility, but in agile development, flexibility occurs. Then completely order proceed to the design and development phase. Then it gives the agile development having extra level of flexibility, and agile process focuses more on code development rather than documentations. This is also very important. Agile development model is more focused on code development. That's why its development is fast and easy. Then agile process model refers to software development approach based on iterative development. Each iteration involves a team working through a full software development life cycle, including planning, requirement analysis, designing, coding, and testing before a working product is demonstrated to the client. Then each iteration contains all phases, that is 5 phases: planning, requirement analysis, designing, coding, and testing. This is the iteration first. Then when it complete, then goes to the iteration second, then goes to the iteration third. This is the agile process. Then advantages of agile: change in embrace. Then what is the changes embrace? With shorter planning cycles, it is easy and to accommodate the and accept changes at any time during the software project. Then second is end goal can be unknown. In agile is very beneficial for projects where the end goal is not clearly defined. As the project progresses, the goals will come to light and development can easily and simply adapt to these evolving requirements. Then third advantages is faster and high quality delivery. This is very important advantages. Breaking down the project into iterations, that means manageable units, allows the software team to focus on high quality development with faster delivery. Fourth is strong team interaction. Agile highlights the importance of frequent communications and face-to-face communications or face-to-face interactions. Team works together and peoples are able to take responsibility and own part of the project. Then last advantages is continuous improvement. Agile projects encourage feedback from users, then means customers and team members throughout the whole project. So lessons learned are used to improve future interactions. Then disadvantages of agile. First is planning can be less concrete. Agile is based on time box delivery and project managers are often reprioritizing task. It is possible that some items originally scheduled for delivery may not be complete in the times. Then second is team must be knowledgeable. Agile teams are usually small, so team members must be highly skilled or high technology knowledge in the variety of areas. Then third is time commitment from developers. Active involvement and collaborations is required throughout the agile process, which is more time consuming than a traditional approach. And last is final product can be very different. Agile is so flexible. New iterations may be added based on evolving customers' feedback. That means a customer's requirements having some changes or any feedback having some changes, then it is also possible because agile is flexible, which can be lead to a very different final deliverable. So final product can be very different. Thank you.